How to reset or recover your Instagram edits password, Instagram edits password reset tutorial. Now if you want to reset or recover your Instagram edits password, so what you do is Instagram edits come from Instagram app. So you don't reset the password for the edits app, but you reset the password for your Instagram account. Now to reset the password of your Instagram account, if you forgot it, you can use the app or you can open your browser and go to instagram.com, then go to login. Then from here you can select this option that says forgotten password. Then you can simply search for your Instagram account by username, let's say. So you can just type in your Instagram account username, tap on continue, and after you've done that, you can go ahead and then basically verify you are the owner of the account. So it will send you a code to your mobile number. You can tap on continue, and once you receive the code on your mobile number, enter the code here and tap on continue. Then you will be asked to choose a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can reset or recover your Instagram edits password. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.